tell us something about your characters. You're playing Sara Syed and you're playing Benazir Khan. So tell us something about your characters in Zindabad.
Well, Sara Syed is, she's a raw agent, as everyone must have figured out. And so she's not a complicated person, but she's stuck in a very complicated situation. She's very loyal. She's very loyal to anybody and everybody that she works with or works for. And you will see that as the story goes forward. And I don't really want to say anything more because I don't want to reveal the story. So watch it, guys, really. Just watch the show. You will understand everything.
Well, so I played Benazir Khan. I'm very excited that I'm a Khan in this web. So I had the swag already. But then obviously she's playing an ISA agent. It's honestly very tough because when you're an Indian and if you portray another country agent, you have to be very, very focused that somewhere you make them shine, because that's what a job of an actor is. Whatever profession you become, whatever person you become on screen, you have to give 100% justice to them, and that is something that I really worked on. And definitely जब आप एक agent का role करते हो, so there's the body language, there's this, you know, as an actor we use a lot of muscles, like I'm into overacting basically, so there's a lot of animated reactions that you give otherwise, but when you are an agent you have to be poker face and still look that strong. So obviously this girl is strong, independent, fierce, she can take her decisions and she can do anything for her country. So obviously the patriotism is also there in her, and at the same time अगर उसके लिए कुछ ऐसे स्टेप लेना पड़े जो शायद उस वक्त सब उसके अगेंस्ट हो, पर उसको लगता है कि ये मेरी कंट्री के लिए वर्क करेगा, so she will do that, and that is what Benazir is all about.
Okay. Since this involves a lot of action, what was the special preparations that went behind doing, preparing for the role?
Honestly, I don't know. So a lot of people have been asking me this, and there were articles also saying that I was doing some yoga pose and somebody put that article up saying that Sanaya is preparing. So I haven't had any physical training or preparation because from the time that I said yes to doing the show to the time of shooting, it was actually quite quick. So there wasn't that much time to. And I've said this before also, I'm a raw agent, but I'm into the analysis part of it. I'm not a field raw agent. So I don't have to go out on the field and fight 1,000 people. I do in a couple of scenes, but I didn't need training for that. That just happened. We had Siddhant, who was fabulous, who was like telling me like थोड़ा gun ठीक से पकड़ और जब तू fire करती है ये तो मत कर यार, डर मत gun से. I was like, okay, first time holding a heavy gun, that noise was driving me crazy, putting cotton in my ears. I mean, I should have actually been prepared or taken some training for that. I had no clue when I went out there, but it was lots of fun.
And what about you, sir?
Well, I love doing action, to be very honest. मेरा बस नहीं तो मैं हर सीन में ही गन लेके यहाँ सबको मारती फिरूँ. But obviously जब आपको ऐसा कुछ करने मिलता है तो you feel great, because I think girls look really nice on screen when they are like holding guns. So I think I'm like एक ISI agent, already a strong character, then you get the gun. I'm like, what more can I ask for? So obviously as a character, as Benazir, I'm super excited. I'm super happy that I could do this. So yeah.
And I saw Sana shot with one hand. Slow claps for that. Cause मेरे एक हाथ से वो gun भी नहीं उठा था. Every time I was like, but yeah.
So the two of you, do you share scenes in the series or?
This is the most scene that we share is giving interviews. ये हमारे सबसे बड़े scenes हैं. So अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं
तो interview देखिए.
बेनज़ीर और सारा को साथ में scene करते हुए interview देख लेना बस.
अरे बहुत कुछ seconds के हमारे scene है, वो भी एक दूसरे को कट से मारते हैं. तो obviously it's very great, but that's very productive.
Any special message to your fans? Why should they watch this Zindabad?
Because it's a good show, guys. Don't we all like watching good TV? I mean, good web TV, whatever. So go out there, watch it. I mean, good web is something that anyone loves watching. I'm a binge watcher. I'm totally like, get on the Netflix, Amazon, watch crazy amount of shows back to back. So go. This is one of those shows that you can watch, enjoy, and give us your feedback.
Yeah, obviously, I want to tell everyone to please go give all your love to Zindabad, because it's not a normal web that you've been seeing, especially with
We've attempted, I mean, I think the production, Vikram, everyone has attempted something different this time.
So I think yes. And it's a very nice sensitive subject and people have different views when these topics are raised. So it's going to give you a very neutral opinion and it's going to show you the other side of the border also. So please watch and give all your love to Zindabad.